Hi, I'm Nilima. Welcome back to my online course of chocolate making. And today we are going to make ferrero rocher chocolates, something like this. So for this we need milk chocolate, which I have already melted. I'm using, as I told you, I'm using this brand. You can use any brand. There is no hard and fast rule for that. Then we will be using some hazelnuts, as hazelnuts were not available, so I'm using some butterscotch, and the procedure is same how you do it for hazelnut. Then we are going to use some Nutella, as I'm using, this is Nutella, and then Nutella spread, and then we are going to use some crushed kaju. Then we will be needing some ferrero rocher shells. This also you will get in the market. Then you need some chocolate liners. Actually, for ferrero rocher chocolates you need this type of liner, so I had the big box of this, so I thought I'll use this only. There's no problem with that. You can use any liner, either gold. If you use gold and use that is going to give a good effect of ferrero rocher. Otherwise any liner would be fine, and then you can pack it in this. That is going to be your style. So let's begin. First of all, in this Nutella paste, I'm going to add some melted chocolate. And mix it well. We are adding this chocolate because so that it sticks well with each other. This is going to be the filler in. It's going to be filler in the shells. So if you are adding chocolate, it's going to fill. It's going to help in sticking the shells to each other. Okay, so we'll just keep this aside, and in this melted chocolate we are going to add the cashews and mix well. This you can keep it on one side, and we will use this later on. Now you have to work with the shells very quickly. Okay, take each shell, fill it up with the mixture which you prepared. Just fill up half, add the hazelnut, as we are using butterscotch, so you can take a little more of it, and the same thing you are going to do with all the shells. Okay, like this. So this is how you're going to fill up all the chocolates into half. Let's finish it off and come back. Okay, my shells are filled up, so now I'm just going to apply some chocolate on the sides and stick both the shells together. You have to just hold it and stick it like this. Just leave it on the plate, it will stick. So again you have to apply on the corners and leave it for drying. Just press gently, don't press hard. So like this we are going to fill up all, stick all the chocolates together. I have stuck all my shells and kept it in this wrapper, the liner, because if I'm leaving it out, it's opening up. So I've just left it in this, and I will be keeping this in the fridge for 5 minutes, and then we are going to do the remaining work. My chocolate is set, so now we are going to dip it in the melted chocolate which has got cashews in it, and then we are going to leave it again for setting. Just be careful. You can use this liner again. As the chocolate is melted, so it will be a little warm. So don't mishandle your shells. Be very, very light with it so that it doesn't open. And leave it in the liner to set. Again, we are going to put it in the fridge to settle down properly. Okay. After dipping the full chocolate, just leave it in the liner and we'll keep it in the fridge. Let me give you some tip. Now, as we are left with a lot of melted chocolate, what we will do, we'll just pour it in the mold. And leave it for setting. We'll pour it in the mold and put it in the fridge so you can enjoy the cashew chocolates also. Please don't waste any of the chocolate. If it is left over, don't eat. You will put on a lot of weight. Just put it in the mold and in the fridge to set, and then you can give it to your guests, to your kids, whoever you want, and it is utilized also, and you're not doing the overeating of chocolates. Okay, and just tap out the bubbles, and we are going to keep it in the fridge. Now the Ferrero Rocher chocolates are ready. I have removed it from the wrapper and have done little bit of crafting also. See, as I had put in this liner, which you're not supposed to do. You can always homemade chocolates you can take chance, but if you want a professional look, then don't put it in this liner, just put it in a butter paper, because if you put in that liner you will get this design. So it's okay, as it is homemade. We are going to wrap it now. I'm trying to take the golden foil only for this and putting upside down, and this portion comes down so that the folding area comes down. Okay, so I have packed my Ferrero Rocher. Here it is, and then I will just put it in the liner bag, and your chocolate is ready. So this is how we are going to pack other chocolates also. So I will just take it. I would love to pack it in my own wrappers, as I love this color. This is pista green, and then I'm going to add my liner instead of the chocolate shade, so that yeah, so this is done. Just to keep it firm, you have to just add a little bit of glue down there and just keep this there so that it stays. For this we are going to pack all 4 of them and come back. Finally I've finished packing my homemade Ferrero Rocher, and this is how it looks. I've kept it in the gifting box. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Do try the chocolate and have fun.